You might have come across such pejorative or appreciative remarks as he is a philosopher, her approach is philosophical, plain facts, no philosophy please. Such remarks sum up popular view of philosophy and philosophers. Someone who is far removed from reality or someone who is a preeminent scholar. Even today, the highest academic qualification is called Doctor of Philosophy, or someone who remains engrossed in some deep thoughts, or someone who expresses views that are obscure or confusing. The popular view of philosophers has an element of truth, but not the whole truth. So, what philosophy is? The word philosophy consists of two Greek words. Philo means love and Sophy means wisdom. So, philosophy is love of wisdom. But what is wisdom? Is it art of getting rich, art of being successful in life, or art of being happy? The answer is none of these. We know that fools can be extremely rich, powerful, or happy, and a wise man like Socrates isn't necessarily the practical, successful man. Wisdom is the intellectual ability to ask right questions and possibly find answers about the ends of life or what we prize high wealth, power, fame, happiness. Wisdom may not be of much help in making you rich or powerful. However, it consists in asking right questions about what and why you want to be rich or powerful, and how being rich or powerful will affect other things that you value, such as freedom, healthy social relationships, self control, or genuine respect. Conquer yourself rather than the world, said French philosopher Descartes. And the same thought was expressed by Francis Bacon when he said, one who gets power over others loses power over himself. Wisdom also consists in reconciling oneself to failure to get rich or powerful, or coming to terms with the laws of whatever you value high. Wisdom is also the ability to question one's most cherished beliefs and treat them as assumptions until their validity is established. These beliefs may be religious, political, or economic, like belief in God, soul, and immortality, belief in democracy or communism, and belief in efficacy of market economy. Greek philosopher Plato defined philosophy as the child of wonder, because philosophy asks questions which deeply affect our lives whether we realize it or not, such as has universe any plan or purpose? Is it accidental collision of atoms? Is consciousness a permanent part of the universe or is it a transitory accident on a small planet? Is universe ruled by some supreme intelligence or is it ruled by sheer chance? Are moral values absolute and objective or are they relative and subjective? Are things in reality what they appear to be or is there an underlying reality beyond the world of appearance? Philosophy is the child of wonder also because a philosopher embraces unfamiliar possibilities. A philosopher, therefore, can be anything but a dogmatist who shuts himself up in the closest of traditional beliefs. By questioning and possibly discarding our most cherished beliefs, philosophy takes us out of our comfort zone. Herein lies both the strength and weakness of philosophy. For Bertrand Russell, there is great value in doing philosophy precisely because it frustrates our desire for quick, easy answers. On the other hand, because there are no final answer in philosophy, it may be disappointing for many. At any rate, being love of wisdom and the child of wonder, philosophy is also the road to freedom. Freedom from prejudices and biases, freedom from tendency to see things in a binary fashion, which divides the universe into antagonistic camps. Philosophy is a quest to find unity behind multiplicity and multiplicity behind unity, a quest to find meta narratives behind narratives and assumptions beyond ideologies. We have history, but we also have philosophy of history. Likewise, we have special sciences like political science, psychology, and theology. But we also have political philosophy, philosophy of mind, and philosophy of religion, which question the very assumptions of the special studies. So, in view of our discussion, we can say that there are four possible meanings of philosophy. Number one, philosophy is an attitude towards life and universe. The philosophical attitude consists in seeing any problem from a broad perspective as part of a larger scheme of things. Philosophical attitude is critical and probing, open-minded and tolerant. Number two, philosophy is a method of reflective thinking and reason inquiry. As opposed to special sciences, philosophy deals with the whole of experience. Number three, philosophy is a group of perennial problems which have a direct bearing on meaning and significance of life, such as why I am here and where I will go, is the universe friendly or unfriendly, is my life controlled by outside forces or am I free, what do concepts like truth, right, and justice mean, and what are the genuine ends of life and do ends justify means. For philosopher W. P. Montague, philosophy is the attempt to give a reasoned conception of the universe and of man's place in it. Finally, philosophy also is a system of thought. Along the history of philosophy, there have been different schools of philosophy such as idealism, materialism, pragmatism, realism, and subjectivism, each viewing world and man's position in it from a unique perspective. We may close our discussion from a quote by German philosopher Hegel, who said that every system of thought contains an element of truth, but none contains the whole truth. And this is the essence of philosophy. I trust you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Wisdom of Life. Thanks for watching.